Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing this bikini bottom that I made yesterday for the top. So this is the bikini bottom and it's very easy. Okay, so the front is this one, okay, and this is the back, okay, and it's very simple. Okay, so what we're going to do, okay, to start with this project is we need a crochet needle, crochet hook, okay, so I will be using a 2.5mm hook and your cotton yarn, okay, a ball of cotton yarn. Okay, so with this project is very easy. Okay, so we are just going to do this in one piece. Okay, so I will be starting from this end and then going here and finish it off. Okay, so with this one you start from slip knot, okay, and then chain 4, chain 5, sorry. Okay, so chain 5, okay, and then from here, okay, block this last chain and then we have to add 3, okay, and we will going to do double crochet, okay, and just continue that double crochet in each stitch. And we will be just doing this for how many rows? Okay, so the second row, chain 3, turn your work, and you will be doing the same thing. So what I do is with this one, I don't want like a gap, so what I'm doing is in the first stitch, okay, I will insert my hook and then pull up the yarn and then go to the next stitch and then pull up the yarn, and then I have 4 loops in my hook, and then yarn over, pull through all 3, and then yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so that is how I make without the gap. Okay, as you can see, no gap. Okay, but you can do the normal double crochet as well. Okay, so just do that, okay, and until the end. So just don't forget to do double crochet into the end. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, we have 6 as well. So you just have to continue that, chain 3, and then turn your work, okay, and you have to continue that. I will just show you how many rows I did. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 rows. Okay, so you have to do 16 rows, okay, and then we are going to increase. Okay, so from here we are going to increase. Okay, so when you increase, okay, so when you increase, so you have your rows, and then when you increase, okay, so chain 3, and then in the first chain there we are going to put 2 double crochet, and no 1 double crochet. Okay, so in the same space, okay, so as you can see in the same space there we have 2, okay, and then we're just going to do the normal the normal double crochet in each stitch until we got to the end, and to the last stitch we are going to do the same thing. We are going to put our increase. Okay, so in this stitch, this is our last stitch. Okay, so one and one more, two. Okay, and then you will be just doing that continuously. Okay, so from here we are going to do the same. Okay, so increase and just one double crochet. When we get to the other side, we are going to make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, and we will be doing this for a few rows, and I will tell you after we finish this and for how many rows. Okay, so this is our last stitch. Okay, as you know, last stitch will be 2 double crochet. Okay, so as you can see, okay, we're getting bigger. Okay, so with our increase, okay, so from here, okay, so we did an increase 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows, 7 rows with increase, and then here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 is a straight. Okay, so it's a straight, so you don't have to increase. Okay, so when we do the increase, we made this. Okay, so if we are going to just continue without increasing, okay, so without increase, okay, so just chain 3. Okay, so what we're going to do is the same. So what we did here, because this one is straight one, remember, this one is straight one, we're going to do the same thing. Okay, so we are going to stop from increasing, so insert here, okay, and pull up the loop, insert in the next, and then pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 3, and yarn over, pull through 2, and you are going to do that the same over and over again for 7 rows. Okay, so you will have a straight line to the top. Okay, and then we are finished. Okay, so we are finished with that, and then we are just going to crochet our string. Okay, so with our string, it's very easy. Okay, so it's just a chain. Okay, so my cotton yarn is 4 ply. So what I did, I use a bigger hook. Okay, so use a bigger hook to get this size. Okay, because if we are going to use the normal one, okay, if we're going to use the normal one, and then it will be small. Okay, so just compare that to this one. Okay, now I'm going to change. Okay, so our string is just like one string. Okay, so I'm just going to show you. Okay, so what is the difference when you use the bigger hook? Okay, what you can achieve. There you go. Okay, so as you can see, this is the small hook and this is the big hook. Okay, so that is the difference. Okay, so this one here we use the small hook and this one is the big hook. Okay, so it will be okay, but it's up to you if you want like a bigger one. As I said, you know, this one is a 4 millimeter hook. Okay, so just use bigger hook. If you want, you can use 5 millimeter or something like that. Okay, and then with this one, okay, with the tassels, so what you are going to do, okay, so I have this one here. Okay, so you just grab some cardboard box or something. Okay, if you want longer, and then you can do longer. So with this one here, okay, so with this one I use this side. Okay, if you want shorter, you can use this side. You can just cut anything. Okay, and you are just going to do this, you know, a few times. Okay, a few times, how thick you want. Okay, and then you have your string. Okay, so you have your string, and then you are just going to insert it there and then tie it up. Okay, and then you are going to wrap this around. Okay, wrap this around. You can even like you can do like that. Okay, to tie it up. Okay, okay, so then in the other side it's the same, so it's all fastened. Okay, and then after that you can double fasten it off from here and just like tie it up like that. Okay, so it's very simple, guys. You just have to tie it up and then close it, and then after that you just have to cut this off. Okay, and you will have these cute little tassels. Okay, guys, it is very simple. Okay, and thank you very much for your support. I can see that what I posted yesterday for the top of this one, I got new subscriber. Thank you very much for liking it and for subscribing, supporting my channel, and it gives me inspiration to, you know, to create more and, you know, share more. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you want, leave a comment. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will be very happy to help you. Okay, I will answer all your questions and stuff. And until to the next video, and thank you very much, guys, for watching. Bye.